Hello YouTubers, Celticghostz here today. Today is July 21st, 2021, and I thought it'd be a good day to do an update on this new game that I'd started playing. It is 2248 Pops. I actually started playing this game on July 13th, 2021, about 9 days ago, and I've almost reached the payout on the iPhone here. And I'll zoom in and you can see I have 96.34 pieces of the 100 pieces that I need to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256G. So I'll also come back and do a video when I reach that payout, but I am so close I thought I'd go ahead and come on here and give you kind of an update on that. And then on my PayPal money, I wanted to show you how far we've come on it too. It's going to have us watch the video, so it'll be just a moment while it does the video. Now, I'll post another update video the day that I claim the phone, and also we're going to look at my PayPal payouts, and you'll see that I've actually reached payout on some of the lower ones, but I'm going to go ahead and wait until I've reached enough money to claim all of the payouts, and we'll come back and do them all on one day. And this video is almost ready to wrap up, so it'll be just a moment and we'll get back to those payments and I'll show you what we got on those. Well, let's do this. Here we go. We're into the wallet now. And as you'll see, my cash balance is $42,275.52. I've reached that in only 9 days. It really starts you out giving you really high payouts. But here are your payout options. And you'll see this bottom one here. It's $39,999. The next payout would be $29,999. And then the one under that is $19,999. And then we have a $14,999 payout. Well, as you see, I've got 42,000. I've already reached enough to do this one down here, the 39,000, but I want to wait. I've added all of these payouts together, and the total on that is 104,996. So we only need to make 42,275.52, and let's see, no, that was subtracting that. All I need to make now is $62,720.48. Once I make that much, we can actually come back in here and redeem every one of the payments, and that's what I would like to do. I'd like to do it all in one day, and that way I'll be done. But I think we're going to reach payout on the phone first. See, it says a certain amount of cash will be rewarded when reached the required level. Cash rewards remain cumulative, can be cashed out or redeemed. Now, we're not going to go for the Amazon cards right away either, because as you see, their payouts are really high too, and we've only got 10,000 of those. So we're going to wait until we accumulate all of those and come back and do those also. Okay, well, YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and if you like what you see and you'd like to see more, please click my like and subscribe button, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Thank you for watching.